Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to learn vegetable names. Potato, this is potato. Tomato, this is tomato. Capsicum, this is capsicum. Carrot, this is carrot. Beetroot, this is beetroot. Lemon, this is lemon. Cabbage, this is cabbage. Cauliflower, this is cauliflower. Broccoli, this is broccoli. Parsnip, this is parsnip. Ginger, this is ginger. Pointed gourd, this is pointed gourd. Cucumber, this is cucumber. Bitter gourd, this is bitter gourd. Radish, this is radish. Spinach, this is spinach. Beans, this is beans. Peas, this is peas. Drumstick, this is drumstick. Lady finger, this is lady finger. Turnip, this is turnip. Sweet potato, this is sweet potato. Red chili, this is red chili. Mushroom, this is mushroom. Corn, this is corn. Green jack, this is green jack. Snake gourd, this is snake gourd. Ridge gourd, this is ridge gourd. Bottle gourd, this is bottle gourd. Chili, this is green chili. Pumpkin, this is pumpkin. Onion, this is onion. Brinjal, this is brinjal. Aram, this is aram. Garlic, this is garlic. So please subscribe the channel. Thank you.